Okay, before you see like what is happening, actually I totally forgot to shoot my intro. I'm really sorry for that. And I am shooting this intro at night, and I shot rest of my video in the afternoon, so there is a change of backdrop. So don't mind it, and I will not do it next time. Please bear with me. And so yeah, hello, my name is Srishti. Welcome to my channel. And if you like my video, then do subscribe to my channel at the end. And today I'm gonna be creating like purple look, which I have shown you like previously. And before getting into the video, I know my backdrop is not nice right now, like whenever I shoot in afternoon. So like I am trying to arrange a good backdrop, so till then please bear with me. I am arranging for a white backdrop. When it will arrive, you will see a changed one. So let's get started. So first I will moisturize my face. I am using this, and I will link it in the description box. Take it to your neck. Now I will apply some lip balm to prep my lips. Now I will move on to primer. For primer I am using Lotus Eco Stay. Now give it some time to set on your face, then move on to foundation. Okay, so for foundation I am using Maybelline Fit Me in 230. I will take it on the back of my hand. And I will take my brush to apply it. Go heavy on us. Your product should be heavy on centers, then it should fade out while you go through your perimeters of your face. Blended. So to highlight my inner corner, I will use shade number 20 Sand Stable to highlight. Basically I don't highlight on regular basis, but sometimes on camera I do, just to get more brightened effect. That's it. But on regular basis I don't do this. So now I will quickly move on to setting my base. For that I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. I think I'm using quite a lot of Maybelline products. They are good. So my shade is 20. It is light medium. I will take my powder brush to set my base. Dust off the excess and stamp it. So to set my under eye, I'm gonna use same concealer brush that I used to blend my concealer and set my under eye. Just put some powder, don't bake it. I think baking is not you should do, because it will dry out your eyes in the longer process and you will not like it then. Now I will quickly move on to my eyeshadow. Today I'm gonna create purple eye. It's the two-step, only 2 brushes are required to create this eye, and I'm gonna use this palette, Lakme 9 to 5. It's a 4 shades shimmer palette, but these two are shimmer shades and these two are kind of satin shades. They don't have too much sparkle to it, so I'm gonna use this shade. Like, I think basically it is violet, so I'm gonna use this shade to create my look today. And for the transition I will use this palette, Maybelline Nudes palette. I think everyone has it. Basically I'm gonna use just this shade to create my look. You can use any brown color. So yeah, so let's quickly move on to the look. So the first step is to apply your shimmer till your crease. Can you see my crease? I will apply my shimmer till here only. Okay, so taking my pinky finger, dipping my finger here. You can spritz water then apply it, or I'm using setting spray, like Wet n Wild setting spray for that. That's it. Like, now take your smaller blending brush, see, a brush of this sort, like something like that. Now take your brown color, dust off the excess and start blending your shimmer shadow with it. Like, the shimmer shadow will lose some color, but we will apply it again, okay, slightly. See, go like that, circular motions. Can you see? It is blending quite easily. Like, you don't need to have blending techniques to do this eyeshadow. I do this all the time whenever I feel like not amping up my look too much. It looks nice. See, now I will reapply my shimmer purple shimmer again to complete my look. Okay. So now I'm gonna apply some inner corner highlight. It's a very subtle purple eye, not too much into the face. You can wear it, it's kind of wearable, like subtly wearable. Is that even a word? But yeah, so okay, now I'm gonna apply kajal. For kajal I'm using a Maybelline Colossal. For blush, I will use Maybelline, like all are Maybelline. I think I should name it as one brand tutorial. So yeah, never mind. Like, let's move on to the blush. So for blush, I'll be using I'm using my foundation brush to stipple to give it a blending finish. Now I will now move on to highlight. I will highlight by using Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. This is not a good highlighter for daily use. It will look chunky from naked eyes, but on camera it looks fine. That's why I'm using it for camera purpose. Like before YouTube, it was just lying there in my vanity. So for camera, I'm using it, but I will not link it in the description box because so for camera, I'm using it, but I will not link it in the description box because it's not fulfilling the purpose. So for highlight, I'm going to use this brush, taking my highlight here, dust off the excess and on my cheekbone, and I will apply it on my cheekbone. On my temples, on my cupid's bow. Okay. Now I will use it same highlight on my brow bone. See? Actually, I don't do my brows. I never tried doing my brows. I do it for my mother. I have a brow product, but I don't use it on myself, so that's why I'm not using it. If you do your brows, just do it because brow frames your face. so it is very important, but I think I'm okay with my brows. Okay, so yeah, so I will move on to the last step, that is lipstick. For lipstick, first I'm gonna apply some pink nude. I will link the shade in the description box. So this is my first lipstick. Now I will layer another lipstick on it, that is Nude Nuance, and this lipstick takes time to settle on your lips. Once it is set, it is set. So yeah, this is my makeup look. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this makeup look, do let me know. And if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, till then I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.